cables are on the OEM throttle. The one that wraps around is on the bottom, the short one's on top. The gas tank, you're gonna have to undo this green clip. This little lip here at the bottom, if you just push it up a little bit, it comes right off of this tab. I don't think you do. Okay, yeah, it's just, you just have to lift this guy up and it pops right off. I'm going to remove these two hoses. There's one on this side which I just removed, and now I'm going to do this one. I don't really know a good way to take these off. They're kind of a pain in the ass. Throttle cables down in here, so I just wanted to trace them back. Originally the throttle was on like this with the longer cable on the bottom. If you follow the longer cable, it actually connects onto the top. This one. These are the new cables that I'm going to be hooking up, and it looks like we need to take out this bolt in order to get these off. Wow, that's a really tight spot. Alright. I kind of removed this fairing like halfway, just so I could get my hands in there. If you have needle nose pliers, you might be able to use those to help you. One other tip is just that you can kind of use your finger to move it